Clune and Honey, they're a big part of my life because I've been out there so much with them over the years. We have a special bond with them. You know them. They were an excellent team, excellent parents, and they had a great bond together. They were made for each other. They successfully raised many chicks. 14 chicks they raised on our lake that fledged. This year, Honey never came back. I was devastated because that long run is over with, and the special bond I had was gone. I'm grateful for the 10 years I did have with Honey and Clune. They gave me memories, pictures, and videos. Every year's a blessing, but I guess it'll be a wait and see what happens.